Hello, welcome to the channel. Is that loud enough? Thought I'd take this opportunity to explain in better detail what we're doing to this 3408. We apparently lost most of the sound on the last post. I think we had the radio playing and they depleted our sound to take the music off, which made it a bit difficult to understand what was going on. But yeah, we've taken these elements out of the fuel pump, which, as you can see here, there's 4 of them one side. We've welded sockets on. Can you see that? So what we've ended up with, these collars are removable, and if they're welded on carefully, so we then throw this lot away, and I've got some replacement collars which we can use to replace them with. But the main problem we've got 4 here that are seized up. This is supposed to go in and out to pump the injection pressure, and this locates to the rack, and inside is a helix, which I'll show you on one that is moving. This one here. Okay, we have this one here is the only one out of the right hand side that actually works. So that goes in and out to pump the fuel pressure, and this locates into the rack to give the engine revs. Now inside here is the helix, which yeah, it's difficult to see, but in here is a little cutout in that plunger, and as that turns, it just opens an aperture in the housing, lines up with an aperture in the housing, and lets more fuel through, and that's how it revs. Quite basic, really, when you consider how complicated some pumps are. But yeah, that's basically it. And we have new seals on order from CAT. Which of these we have? We found some replacement collars. We need to buy 3 more. We've got 5 of those, and some. The reason the collar was corroded in here, it should have had a felt washer in there to keep the muck and the corrosion out, and they were left out when it was assembled last. So there's new felt washers going in there. Then we've got to put these in, time these to the rack here, and Bob's your uncle. Finish this side, do the other side, and what I intend to do is start the engine on the floor. Once I get the fuel injecting, we'll start it and test run it on the floor before we decide whether or not to rebuild it. So that's it for now, basically. Okay, cut.